A Facebook page is a public profile for an organization or person. So first you have to click that menu button on here, then select the page button and then write the name of it, and then select the category and write a bit bio of yourself. Then write the phone number and write email address, write the address and write your town and write the postcode, then select the hour when you are open, then write the website name and you are done. Then click this next button, then select your profile picture and the cover photo, then again select next and you can give your WhatsApp phone number here, so I don't need it, so you can skip it. So then you can invite your friends to like this page, but I don't need it, so you can do it. So click next if you want to skip it. Then if you want this page for marketing and promotional image about your page, then select this button and click done. And you are all done with your page, and this is your page. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.